Hi everyone, welcome to my Kaggle AI Agent Capstone Project CV Agent. I built this for the Concierge Agent track. The problem I'm solving is application fatigue. In job market, in today's job market, candidates are told to tailor their resume for every single job to get past application tracking system. But manually editing a CV takes more than 60 minutes per applications. It's exhausting, leading a fever application and burnout. My solution is CV Agent, a personal AI concierge that take your master profile, cross-reference it with a job description, and automatically generate a beautiful formatted, tailored LaTeX PDF resume in a second. So why use AI agent for this instead of a simple prompt? Tailoring a resume requires precision. A single LLM call often hallucinates, formatting, or drops important data. By using Google Agent Development Kit ADK, I broke the problem into sequential multi-agent system. My first agent, the content optimizer, is strictly instructed to only output JSON data. Analyze the skill gap. Then the ephemeral state is passed to my second agent, the latex designer, whose only job is to inject that JSON into a latex template safely. This separation of concern ensure absolute accuracy and no break codes. Looking at the architecture, the ADK agent pipeline runs inside a FastAPI backend. For security, I use Pydantic models to strictly validate all incoming data. The ADK in-memory session service manages state ephemerally, meaning user data is completely sandboxed and destroyed after generation. Crucial for a person concierge handling. Finally, the latex is compiled via the TextLive cloud compiler and sent back to the client. And because the backend is fully Dockerized, deployability is simple as a Docker run commands. Let's see it in action. So this is my CV generator extension. First of all, we need to scrub the profile. So this is the extracted profile details. So you can see that. So what I'm gonna do is uh, paste a job description. I've already copied one job description from LinkedIn. So next we have to select the templates. Here I have a few templates. I choose this one and click generate CV. Then it will trigger the multi-agent system. So now this view as PDF in latest code. You can download as a latest code or PDF. So I have downloaded it. Let's see. So this is the generated PDF. So yeah. So building this was an incredible learning experience. I have heavily utilized integrity Google Agent coding system to help to build this project. Thank you for watching and hope CV Agent help you learn your next big role. Thank you.